Start from square one with a corgi who absolutely despises having his teeth brushed. Now, first, what I want you to do is have bacon in the morning, and we're gonna put a little bit of bacon grease on this thing, because if your dog does not like to have his teeth brushed, then you want this to be his best friend ever. Yeah, come, good boy, sit. Oh, come on, sit all the way, stubborn little guy. I said sit. There we go, good boy. So we're associating this with being a reward. And now we're gonna say, place. Good boy, nice job. And now what we're going to do is we're gonna give him this right here, maybe put a little on my actual fingers so he does associate this with actually being a part of my hand. Because we don't, of course, want him to bite this because he's got a strong enough jaw, it will crush this and my finger inside. So it's really about desensitizing them and slowly getting used to just kind of putting this in his mouth, and we're gonna take it away. He's still nuzzling me, he's being a sweet little boy. Get a tummy rub and some bacon licks. Identify the yellow sections on his, oh yeah, I can see the yellow coming off of his mouth already. See? Oh yeah, we're getting it in there. And now we're not gonna pressure him too much. We're gonna take it away, and then a little bit more. Good boy, get in there. Yeah, his teeth, his breath absolutely smells terrible. And oftentimes that is due to him, well, eating terrible things because it's in his gut, it's coming up, but also that's associated with all of the bacteria and the plaque that is on his teeth. And if you and I brush our teeth 1 to 2 times a day, well, think of a dog never, ever, ever brushing his teeth. So this is just a fantastic invention because he's associating it with my hand. And so he never bites my hand, but he will bite a toothbrush. And of course, we're just gonna ease him into it. We're not gonna pressure him too much. I would say I just got about 50 to 60% of his teeth right there, but the key is to ease them into it. And that's it. He